Hey guys, all right, so we're gonna go over, finish going over this. This is part four. All right, so the first one is the carotid canal, which it would be right here, and then we would go into the jugular, which would be right next to it, and then the palatine bone, which would be right here, basically in the roof of the mouth. I know it's hard to see, really. Incisive fossa, which would be right here at the front of the teeth, right here, and then we would go into the greater palatine foramen, which would be right here, and then we would go into the magnum, which would be right here. This is basically where the spinal cord goes down from the skull, and then we would go into the mastoid process, which would be right here, and then we would go into the styloid process, which would be right here, and then the stylomastoid foramen, which would be right in here, and then we would go into the crista galli, which would be right here. I guess that's more so the ridge, and then we would go into the cribriform plate, which would be on the lower end of the sides, which would be right here, and then we would go into the sella tertia, which would be right here, and then we would go into the internal auditory meatus, which would be right here. All right, thank you guys.